Hey guys, this is Corey Bysted over at Bish's RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you this Heritage Glen 22 RBHL. This is a fantastic trailer. I'm a huge fan because it is a full-size trailer. I'll tell you what I mean by that in a minute. But right now, here's your through storage bay. That little controller panel right there, that is a solar panel controller. So that's kind of nice to know. Now, if you notice, these wheels are super far apart. So the reason they are is so when you take one wheel and you stick it that way more, well, I guess that would be two wheels because the other side, that relieves a lot of weight on your truck in terms of tongue weight. So that way you're not having that much force down on your hitch. So that's kind of nice because it's just simple things that can help out. It helps you get less of a hardcore truck to be able to handle this better. So when you come inside, you're instantly going to notice that everything is super big. That's exactly what this brand is about. Taller ceilings, wider wides, bigger slide boxes. The windows tend to be pretty massive. The drawers and cabinets are always super deep. It's a huge thing with this brand. If you turn around and look at that bathroom, it's completely massive. That's what this brand is all about, is space, room. It's all about how big it is. It's crazy. So you got your cabinetry right here, all the way down, cupboards, sink, that little spot right there, and you have it over here as well. That's super deep. That takes my entire arm to my fingertips straight. So it's that deep. That is so crazy. So I'll let you peek at that. That's a lot of room. Then your shower, if you look, it's super wide. It fits me great. Now look at this. The floor, when I step on the shower floor, it doesn't even flex or move. I feel like I'm standing on a piece of wood. How many rigs have you gone in that's like that? Not many. A lot of the time you stand on it and you feel the plastic you're standing on squish. It's weird. I don't like that. So anyways, this is how the curtain works. That's so cool. They also changed the material. This is much more durable than another brand used to do. So that doesn't really want to tear. Worst case scenario, it might pull out of here, and that's repairable. You just stick it back in and poke it through with the screw that they come with. And so that's fixable. Most of the time, the material itself doesn't really tear. Now, right here, that's an awesome pantry. This is for the table that goes right here. And if you look on the couch, this is a mount. So you have this bar that sticks right there, comes out and up, and you take that table, you stick it right here. So this is kind of your dinette and your couch area. This is an awesome, comfortable couch. You get a chase lounge. You get to face your TV. You get the speakers built into the walls. Okay, you get the stereo, you get the heater coming off of it, you get also the fireplace coming out of the wall. So that's super big. Now if you come over here and look, this is your kitchen area. I just think this is so beautiful, the way that they did the design and the colors and the way that it looks. It's a great layout. So if you come into here, this is a queen size bed. Now what I like about it is you lay right here and you see that this is open. So a lot of the time they'll take this cabinetry and they'll make it go all the way to the wall. It's kind of nice that this is open. You put your phone right here. There's wall plugs. There's USB chargers on both sides. So you can even hook like a sleep app machine right here. This is so perfect for that. You got lights right here. I can reach them. If I want to turn one on, it's just right there. Super nice and convenient. This is a very roomy bedroom. Gives you that separated wall. And you got some cabinets right here and some cabinets right there and above. So you could essentially, this is the perfect camping rig. It's the perfect rig for just going out camping. And it's got enough storage to bring everything. I feel like the proportions are really appropriate in terms of for going camping. Like, you're not going to live in this, right? Because it's like, you probably look for a really big one to live in. So that being said, That's enough space to bring enough clothes to go camping with. You also have the storage under the bed. And then all of your dishes can fit up there for a nice camping trip. And then all the food that you would ever want to bring can fit right in here, and then some. This is the big thing. This is cool. You could stick a stroller in there. You could stick, I don't know, pack and play for kids. You could stick a lot of things in here. And those shelves are removable. So you can kind of take them out, and that's a good storage spot. A lot of rigs just have like a massive storage box for you to put things in. So also that's your AC. This video was kind of all over the place, but you got to see the really cool rig. So that being said, if you have any questions, if you want to see the rig and you want to schedule an appointment or whatever, just to look at it, give me a call. My name is Corey Bystead. My number is 541-735-1535. Thank you.